Welcome to the top best. The Best 360 dash cam is probably one of the most essential pieces of technology for any driver today, offering unparalleled peace of mind and a comprehensive record of your journeys. This front and rear wireless dash cam provides a complete 360-degree view, ensuring that no blind spots are missed, whether you're navigating busy city streets, cruising on the highway, or parking in a crowded lot. Its advanced features capture crystal-clear footage in all lighting conditions, making it an indispensable tool for accident documentation, insurance claims, and deterring potential vandalism or theft. Number 5. REDTIGER F7 NP 4K Dash Cam. Experience crystal-clear footage with our advanced dash cam. It captures stunning 4K video from the front and 1080p from the rear, ensuring every detail is recorded day or night. Equipped with the latest Starvis 2 sensor and WDR technology, it delivers exceptional clarity and balanced lighting in any condition. You'll get sharp night vision and reliable evidence, no matter the time. Connect effortlessly to your smartphone with its built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for ultra-fast downloads. Review, download, and manage your footage easily through our intuitive app. Never miss a moment with seamless loop recording that automatically overwrites older files. A free memory card is included, so you're ready to go right out of the box. Enjoy peace of mind with 24/7 parking surveillance. It offers continuous monitoring and automatically saves important clips if a collision is detected, even when parked. Built with a high-reliability supercapacitor, it provides safer performance and a longer lifespan, especially in hot climates. This ensures dependable operation for extended periods. What we like. This dash cam offers exceptional clarity with its Starvis 2 sensor and WDR night vision, ensuring you capture every detail, day or night. The ultra-fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi allows for quick video downloads, perfect for sharing or reviewing footage on the go. If you're looking for reliable evidence capture and easy access to your recordings, this is a solid choice. What people say. The camera has a wide-angle lens that captures a broad view of the road. It offers clear video quality, even in low-light conditions. The wireless connectivity makes installation straightforward and convenient. Number 4. REDTIGER F7 and Touch 4K Dash Cam. Experience your drive in breathtaking 4K UHD with our advanced dash cam. Its Starvis 2 sensor and wide-angle view capture every detail, while WDR and HDR technology ensure clear recordings even in low light. Manage your recordings hands-free with intuitive voice commands, keeping your focus on the road. The smart touchscreen allows for quick actions like locking footage or turn on Wi-Fi with a single touch. Connect wirelessly to your smartphone via 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for fast downloads and easy sharing. Built-in GPS accurately records your location, speed, and route, providing valuable data for any situation. Never worry about running out of space with seamless loop recording, even with the included 128 GB card. The integrated G-sensor automatically protects crucial footage in case of sudden impacts or events. Our parking monitoring features provide round-the-clock security. It automatically records collisions or motion when parked, and time-lapse mode offers a condensed overview of events. Installation is a breeze with the included suction cup and tools. Drive with confidence knowing you have an 18-month guarantee and dedicated 24/7 customer support. What we like. Experience a new level of convenience with voice control and a responsive touchscreen, keeping your hands on the wheel and your focus on the road. Its Starvis 2 sensor ensures excellent night vision, providing clear footage in all conditions. If you prioritize ease of use and advanced features for a safer driving experience, this model is ideal. What people say. The camera has a 360-degree view, which is great for capturing everything around the car. It's wireless, making installation much easier and cleaner. The front and rear cameras provide comprehensive coverage, ensuring no blind spots. Number 3. AZDOME M553CH Dash Cam 4K. Introducing the AZDOME M550, a revolutionary 3-channel dash cam. It captures everything in stunning 4K clarity, ensuring you never miss a detail on your journeys. Equipped with a 3.19-inch screen and advanced IR night vision, it provides exceptional visibility even in low-light conditions. Drive with confidence, knowing you're protected around the clock. Its 24-hour parking mode offers 3 distinct monitoring options: motion detection, collision detection, and time-lapse. This ensures your vehicle is secure and provides crucial evidence if an incident occurs while parked. This versatile system covers all angles with its front, interior, and rear cameras. The wide-angle coverage ensures a comprehensive view of your surroundings, enhancing safety and security. With built-in GPS, it accurately records your driving routes, speed, and location. This feature is invaluable for reviewing incidents and providing reliable evidence when needed. Stay connected effortlessly with integrated Wi-Fi. Easily transfer footage and access settings directly from your smartphone, making management simple and convenient. AZDOME is dedicated to providing cutting-edge technology that puts you in control. Experience the difference of innovative solutions designed for the modern driver. What we like. This dash cam provides comprehensive coverage with 3 channels, including an interior IR camera for monitoring the cabin, making it perfect for rideshare drivers or those concerned about interior events. The built-in GPS accurately records your route and speed, offering complete documentation. If you need all-around surveillance for your vehicle, this is the one to consider. What people say. The camera has a 360-degree view, providing a comprehensive field of vision. It offers wireless connectivity, making installation and use more convenient. The front and rear cameras ensure that both the road ahead and behind are recorded. Number 2. PRUVEEO 360 degrees 4-channel dash cam. Experience complete vehicle protection with 4 high-definition cameras. This system simultaneously records the front, rear, left, and right sides, capturing every angle around your car. Customize your view by adjusting the front camera's angles. It's perfect for focusing on specific areas or capturing interior details for more comprehensive recording. Save storage with time-lapse recording, compressing hours into minutes. It also features a parking mode that automatically records while your car is stationary, ensuring constant protection. Track your vehicle's speed, location, and route in real time on a map. This provides precise documentation for any incidents, which is invaluable for verification and claims. Easily access your recordings with built-in Wi-Fi. Download and share videos directly to your smartphone, making it simple to share with others. Even in low-light conditions, you'll get high-quality video thanks to its advanced lens and infrared lights. This provides peace of mind, day or night. It features loop recording, automatically overriding older footage when the card is full. In case of an accident, the footage is locked and saved, preventing accidental deletion. What we like. Get complete peace of mind with 360 degrees coverage from 4 FHD cameras, capturing everything around your vehicle, including blind spots. The adjustable lenses allow you to customize your view for specific needs. If you're looking for maximum protection and comprehensive situational awareness, this multi-camera system is an excellent option. What people say. The camera has a 360-degree view, offering a comprehensive perspective of the surroundings. It provides clear video recording both in the front and rear, ensuring detailed footage. The wireless connectivity simplifies installation and use, eliminating the need for messy cables. Number 1. FOCUWAY D4 Duo Dash Cam. Experience the road like never before with our dual dash cam. It records in stunning ultra-clear 4K UHD for the front and 1080p for the rear, ensuring every detail is captured, even at high speeds. Drive with confidence day or night thanks to superior low-light clarity. Plus, keep your hands on the wheel with intuitive voice commands for photos, video locking, and recording. Your car is protected around the clock with intelligent parking modes. It automatically records collisions or captures time-lapse, ensuring you have footage when you need it most. Easily manage your recordings with built-in Wi-Fi for instant sharing and preview. The integrated GPS also logs your speed, location, and route for complete trip data. Navigate features effortlessly with the responsive touchscreen. Designed to withstand extreme temperatures, it ensures reliable performance in any weather condition. We stand by our product with comprehensive support. Enjoy peace of mind with our worry-free service and dedicated customer assistance for any questions you may have. What we like. This dash cam delivers stunning true 4K resolution for incredibly clear footage, even at high speeds, and features hands-free voice control for added safety. Its supercapacitor design makes it ready for extreme weather conditions, ensuring reliable performance year-round. If you demand top-tier video quality and robust performance in any climate, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The camera has a 360-degree view, providing a comprehensive recording of the surroundings. Wireless connectivity makes installation and setup hassle-free. The front and rear cameras ensure complete coverage, capturing both the road ahead and behind. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.